the Steve Allen Show, presenting the Three Stooges.
Now, I wish I hadn't picked this up so early. I got a lot of words to say. Among the great comedy names of our time are three men who, for many years, convulsed the motion picture and vaudeville audiences of this country with their hilarious, knock-em-about style of comedy. It took the medium of television and the perceptive minds of today's youngsters to rediscover their greatness. So here, from 3 record-breaking weeks at the Holiday House in Pittsburgh, let's welcome them, the Three Stooges.
It's great to say hello. Hello, hello, hello. Back again. It's great to say hello. Hello, hello, hello. Back again. Get out of here. What's the matter with you? Knock your head into you. That's all. I've taken all I'm going to take off of you. Get out of here.
You leave my friend alone. What do you want?
Stop all this bickering.
What's the matter?
Don't you know we have to perform an operation in 1 minute?
That's right, yeah.
Get the patient out here.
Bring in the patient, please. The patient, bring... Hey, there's no patient.
No patient?
The patient didn't show up.
No patient? What will the sponsor say?
I don't know.
We gotta have a patient.
Yeah, we gotta have a patient. I think we got a patient.
I'm sure we have a patient.
Oh, now, wait a minute, fellas.
Larry, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel fine. I feel great.
Yeah?
You look terrible.
Yeah, but I feel wonderful. Oh! Oh!
How do you feel now?
I got a headache down to here.
Oh, nurse? Thank you. And now, as a public service, NBC, in cooperation with the National Broadcasting Company, and in competition with the Columbia Broadcasting Company, presents a documentary program on the world of medicine, entitled, Would You Believe It? This Country Has a Cold. By the end of this program, if our patient bears any resemblance to a living person, it will be completely accidental. I thank you. Oh, nurse! Adelaide! Oh, honey!
Coming, doctor. Where are you, doctor? Where are you?
Here, nurse. Here.
Where? Keep talking. I'll find you, doctor.
Here.
Oh, there you are, doctor.
Don't touch me. I'm homogenized. Now, nurse.
What?
I told you, you don't need those glasses.
Are you kidding? Everything I see is fuzzy if I don't wear my glasses.
I know, but it's all in your mind. Take off the glasses. I'll prove it to you.
What?
Nurse, what is that?
$50.
Put back the glasses.
Don't you need the glasses?
All right, prepare the patient.
Prepare the patient. Okay, young man. Open your mouth and say, ah.
Hey! Here.
Oh,
I'm glad you're not taking out my tonsil.
Here. Yeah. What type of an operation would you like?
What kind of an operation have you got?
Nurse, what are the specials for today?
Well, there's a menu, Doc. You can look at it.
Gallbladder, $60. Kidneys, $65. Liver, $70. With onions, $1.
I'll take the works.
Oh,
Give him the works.
I'll give him the work. Yeah.
On the ether, please.
The ether, yes. We must give him the ether. All right, lay right down. This won't hurt a bit. That's it. Doctor, there's no ether. There's no ether left.
That patient in 207, he drinks everything. Give him a spinal.
Oh, a spinal. Oh, yes, a spinal. A spinal.
You think that reached the spine?
I think it went right on by, Doc. I'm not sure.
Then prepare for surgery.
Surgery, prepare for surgery.
Scalpel!
Scalpel. There you are, Doc, right there.
Thank you.
Yes.
And a canapuna sign.
Oh, yes, there you are, Doc.
And a canapuna sign.
That's not... And a canapuna sign. me stupid. That's not what you said at the dance last night.
Well, last night I was stupid.
Tonight I'm stupid.
Hey, well,
Who made that incision?
What?
That's the work of a butcher. This patient will not survive this surgery. Who did it?
you did, Doctor.
So I did.
Yes, you did.
The work of a master. On a clear day, you can see Jersey City.
Doctor, don't forget the commercial. The commercial, the commercial.
Yes, the commercial.
The commercial.
And now, this portion of the show is sponsored by the Get Well Soap Company, makers of the wonderful product liquid soap. 287.25% pure. So pure is this soap that you can eat it. Now, a word from a satisfied user.
Thank you.
Okay, Lawrence Wells.
Say, Doctor,
Yes?
what have you decided to remove?
I don't know, nurse. You see, everything looks so beautiful. I think I'll take pot luck.
All right. Just try it, see what happens. Oh.
His heart.
Yeah, the heart.
Oh, heart of my heart, I love you. Life would be naught without you. Oh, say you'll be mine. Hey, have the thread and the needle.
The thread and the needle. Oh, yes, the thread and the needle. There you are, Doctor.
Please.
There you are.
Oh!
That's wonderful.
On Sanapini.
Oh, on Sanapini. On Sanapini. There you are, Doctor.
Thank you very much.
Yes, on Sanapini.
Hold this.
Here, hold it. And it's Sanapini. Hey there. Come on, baby. You know.
Hey, wait for me, fellas.